Hello guys, welcome to the Wolf. So today's analysis will be on Bitcoin, what happened in the last 24 hours and how the crypto market is unpredictable, but how can we make money in this market. So this is the today's analysis. So let's get straight to the point. So right now I'm on the Bitcoin daily time frame, and as I already nicely and ekdam straight to the point predicted the green candle, the bullish candle, and made money on that. I hope you also did your own analysis and then only took a trade. So what happened here, let me tell you. So when the price was approx here, I booked approx 20 to 30% of my trade, and also I switched my stop loss to here, that when the price comes at this level right here, my stop loss will get hit and I'll exit some more of my position in profits. So the same thing happened, and I did ended up in profits, but still my 10 to 20% of my trade is still running right now. I will recommend you to close all the trades. It's just a recommendation and not a financial advice, because right now the price is at a very strong support, and if it breaks this to the downside, let me show you. If the price breaks this to the downside, then it can heavily go down all the way down to $20,000. Why? I'll show you in a few seconds. But if we see a strong support from here to the upside, a strong volume or any indicator you use, then the price can easily go all the way up to $30,000. Because if you are watching my previous videos, you know that I'm still my still target is all the way up here at $30,000, and the price has to go there. So let's see how this trade goes. But if the price breaks this important support to the downside, I'll close my all the long positions and I'll go short. But if it does get a support from here, then I will add more money in my long position, because then my target will be all the way up here at $29,000 or $30,000. Wait, let me show you here at. So right now I am on the Bitcoin futures chart, and as I told you that the price has to go to fill this level to the upside, and it did went this green candle. But as you can see, this Fibonacci level, red level, how the price reacted to it and fell down heavily. So right now there are chances that the price can go all the way down till here, this orange level, which is at approx $25,500. And now this is the crucial moment, that if the price breaks this level to the downside, then it can heavily fall down. But if the price gets a support from here and sees a bullish candle or a reversal pattern, then it can again go all the way up here at this red level only, approx 28,000, and my target is all the way up to 29,000. And if the price breaks this orange support to the downside, then it can easily go to this 0.618 level, which is the golden level of Fibonacci right here. And also, if you clearly see there, right there is a CME gap that has been formed in March 2023 only, and still it is not been filled. So there are chances that the price can see a huge reversal to the downside to fill this gap all the way down to $20,000. Also do have a look at this important support I have drawn on the Bitcoin time frame at $25,394 level. This is the important support. So the price, there are chances that the price can come all the way here, and if the price breaks this support, then we can all the way go down here at this blue dotted horizontal line that I already shown you at $20,000 of level. But if we see a reversal from up here, then the price can go to this purple box right here, which is at approx 28.5 to $29,000 level. So guys, this was it. And also, if you want to trade like this with me and make money, by trading Bitcoin or any other crypto, you can do this on Bybit. You can get $30,000 gift, lowest trading fees and zero spot trading fees. So you can create an account on Bybit for free. So you can make an account for free and start trading on Bybit and can get free $30,000 gift. So yeah guys, this was it for today's video. It was a quick update on what is happening in the crypto and the Bitcoin market and how to trade accordingly in the future. So I hope you liked the video, and yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.